1/4 inch foot O, perfect 1/4 inch seams and corners. The 1/4 inch foot O has a guide along the right edge. You run your fabric along it to get a perfect 1/4 inch seam allowance. It also has 1/4 inch marks along the side, which allows you to drop your needle and pivot around corners. Snap the foot onto your machine and choose a straight stitch. Put the edge of your fabric against the guide and begin sewing. At the end of your seam, sew right up to the 1/4 inch mark. Stop with the needle down and pivot your fabric. Repeat for each side to get a perfect 1/4 inch seam all the way around. Here's how you stitch on a pocket using this foot.